Did you know that a toucan's massive beak is surprisingly lightweight? Despite its large and colorful appearance, the beak is made of keratin and has a honeycomb-like structure, making it strong yet light. Toucans use their beaks to reach fruit on distant branches, regulate their body temperature, and even playfully toss food to one another. Their bright, eye-catching colors help them blend into the vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, where they live high in the treetops. Toucans are highly social birds and often travel in small flocks, communicating with each other through loud croaks and clicking sounds. Unlike most birds, they nest inside tree holes, often taking over nests abandoned by woodpeckers. They have a playful and curious nature, making them one of the most fascinating birds in the tropical ecosystem. With their oversized beaks, bold personalities, and acrobatic movements, toucans are truly one of nature's most unique and beautiful birds.